Okay, welcome back. So after I have done with the payment, then Namecheap will send me my details, my cPanel details, where I can do everything, or starting with the design of my website and then data transfer, whatever I'm going to do on my cPanel. They'll send me all the details to be able to log in and do whatever I want to do. So these are my payment details. These are my cPanel details they give me. Okay. So as I was saying, after you've also purchased a domain name, they will give you name servers. Okay. Those name servers, if you're not hosting your site with the same domain registrar, then you have to go and change the servers. Okay. So after purchasing, you also get your name servers from your hosting company. So I'm going to show you my name servers they gave me after purchasing. Okay, so these are my name servers. These are my name servers they gave me. So you copy each name server and then you go to your hosting, to your domain registrar. And then if you go to, for instance, if you go to GoDaddy, for instance, you click on, after logging in, you click on my product. You click on my product and you see your domain name, the domain you register with GoDaddy, you see it. As I've already explained in the previous video on how to purchase a domain name. Okay, so after logging in and then click on my products, then you see your domain you register with them. You click on DNS or manage. You click on DNS or manage, then you copy this domain, you copy this name servers. There are two. So you copy and replace them. You copy the other one, also replace them. And then you are done. Then you will receive a notification that domain propagation or DNS propagation has been completed. And then if it's completed, it means you have replaced your hosting service, your hosting name service with the name service of the domain, and then it will start working correctly, because this is where you are going to host your website. Okay. So without much ado, after DNS propagation is completed, then you can now begin to log into your cPanel. And then after you purchase your domain, it will give you, after you purchase your hosting, it will give you your cPanel login details. So these are my cPanel login details. So I can log in with this one. Okay, so I can log in with this one. Or what we do is, if you want to log in to your cPanel, you type your domain, then you type your domain / your cPanel. Okay, so let's say this is my domain, Desktop Foundation / the cPanel. Okay, / cPanel, then you enter. Okay, so another way to do this one is also can enter your domain and then you bring a column and enter 2082. This is the code for entering a hosting cPanel. Okay, you enter and then it will also lead you to your same cPanel logins. Okay, so first you can what you can do is you enter your domain in the web browser and then bring / and then cPanel. It will lead you the login details. Okay, then you can enter your username and a password, or you enter your domain and then you bring a column and enter 2082. Then you enter. You press enter. It will also lead you to the same thing. Okay, so let's log into our cPanel and see what we have. Okay, so I have my cPanel details here. I can log in. Okay, so you click enter and then login is successful. Okay. Now, if you log in, this is where you can manage everything. Okay. This is where you can manage everything. As I was saying, every good hosting company should give you access to file manager, then the ability to create email addresses. Okay. So you have your databases also intact. You have PHP, my admin, my databases, MySQL, then you can also create add-on domains. Okay, subdomains. You have ability to create subdomains. Then you can create email addresses. Okay, you have the ability to create email addresses. So when we start with the website design, and I will show you all the details of what to do here. Okay, so this is a simple method. Okay, and we are going to be using WordPress for our website development. So we have the softwares here, or the app. We have this softwares, Softaculous app installers. You can host your website with Joomla. This one, PrestaShop. If you have e-commerce, you can host your site with this e-commerce PrestaShop. Then, because we are going to use WordPress, then we'll be launching WordPress as our software, and then we'll be building our website. So these are simple steps on how to register your hosting plan, and then after registration, you get the details. After registration, you get the details of your name servers, and then you have to copy the name servers and then go and replace with the domain name servers, and then you save. After saving the domain, the DNS, or the domain name servers, or the domain name system will propagate, and after completion, you can now log in to your cPanel with the cPanel details. Okay, so this is our cPanel details, and we will do the other things later. So this one will not cost you so much. If you are lucky to get a domain for, let's say, $1 or $2, and then you have your hosting to be, let's say, $10, then it's all the cost is around $12. It won't cost you so much. Okay, so I recommend you use Namecheap for the startup, or for starting up your business. And this is what I want to show you for registering your domain, and then your hosting. Okay, so if you're already there with the hosting, next is you're going to start building website, and it will go so many websites. By the time you complete, you are already a full website designer. So always, every day, I'll give tutorials, and then I'll post them on the YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel. Okay, so you see all the videos here. I'll post every video on the YouTube channel. So you have to come to the YouTube channel, just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscription is very important, so that you get notifications of every video I'll post. So you come to my YouTube channel here, you subscribe, and then you watch or download the videos you want to download. Okay, so thank you very much, and then I will see you later. Always subscribe and watch the videos, and we will complete everything successfully. Goodbye.